Using Microsoft Teams gift cards can enhance your experience by allowing you to access premium features or services. Follow these steps to redeem and use your gift cards effectively. Step 1. Access Microsoft Teams. Open the Microsoft Teams application on your device or navigate to the Teams website and sign in with your Microsoft account. Step 2. Locate the gift card option. In the Teams interface, go to the main menu and look for the option related to account settings or billing. This is typically found under your profile picture or initials in the top right corner. Step 3. Redeem your gift card. Once in the billing section, find the option to redeem a gift card. Enter the code from your gift card carefully, ensuring there are no typos, and submit it. Step 4. Confirm the redemption. After submitting the code, you should receive a confirmation message indicating that the gift card has been successfully redeemed. Check your account balance to see the updated amount. Step 5. Use your balance. With the gift card balance now available, you can use it to purchase premium features, subscriptions, or other services within Microsoft Teams. Follow the prompts during the purchase process to apply your balance. By following these steps, you can easily make the most of your Microsoft Teams gift cards. Enjoy the enhanced features and services.